Okay, well, this morning I do have a new project. I got this blue 2005 Goldwing to work on, and I bought at an insurance auction. And the very first commercial sale I ever had was the identical bike to this. So there's some nostalgia going on here. This one has about 90,000 miles on it, which is, you know, that's for Goldwing, that's nothing. That's 1/3 life on a Goldwing, because they're good for 300,000 like nothing. Pretty much just like buying a car. I wouldn't blink at buying a car that had less than 170,000 miles on it. Goldwings are the same way. You treat them just like a car. 100,000 miles is nothing. This one has a lot of good stuff on it. As you can see, there's a lot of extra chrome pieces on it. But there's some things that have to be fixed. This one evidently is another soft hit, I call this, where it hit probably a dog or a deer or some animal, I think. It got hit right here, which damaged the radiator, so the radiator has to be replaced. This side panel I'm going to replace. I actually have new one vent covers like these, but I got chrome ones. And you know, it's got the highway pegs, it's got everything. I got a brand new windshield coming for it. The only issue is this stupid air wing here is broken. Try to find blue air wings. I just need a replacement piece, and I guess I'll have to contact them directly because you can't find blue. But other than that, boy, this thing's in really good shape. The engine runs great. It doesn't miss a beat. It's really, really good. I didn't take it for much of a test drive because it's leaking antifreeze. If you look at the radiator, you see it's kind of got some weird shape to it there. No big deal. I've replaced these radiators before. That's an easy thing to fix. It's surprisingly good shape. You know, the front fender is gone. It got hit on this side. So the caliper is broken. So there's no brakes, which is really fun. Well, there's brakes, but yeah, you got to fiddle to get them to work. So it's kind of fun just taking it for a little test run, but boy, she runs good. Everything works great. This is going to be a nice bike. It's really pretty. I like the color. It's got a lot of extra chromey stuff on it. The backrest here is bent, and the seat's got a tear in it, so I'll be replacing the seat. And other than that, you know, it's got the trailer hitch on it and all the wiring. That stays with the bike. It's a 30-year anniversary model. It's got the really nice luggage carrier back there. Like I say, it's pretty. I had really thought about keeping this bike for myself when I was building my own personal one, which had more damage than this one. This one, the mirrors are good. I was really shocked. Normally, just about all the Goldwings I buy are in this shape or better, but the mirrors are always broken because for some reason when they hit stuff, they think you got to lay it on the side and smack the mirrors real good. So it's got, like I say, it's got a lot of added. It's got a belly pan on it, which is going to go directly in the dumpster. Belly pans are just a bad deal. I think I did a little video on that. I think they're a real fire issue. So the belly pan will go in the dumpster. And it's my recommendation never to use belly pans. It's got some extra switchy thing going on over there. It's got the really nice nice grips, and these are actually custom blue to match the bike. And I see the dash, he kind of touched that up a little bit. I do have the guy's name here too. Bike came out of Wisconsin. So, my neighbor state. So this will be a nice project. And it's got, it does have the fog light switch, which will be nice for the wink lights and that, because I usually hook them up to the fog lights so you can turn them on and off. And it does have a heel toe shifter and running boards. So, but it does also have the, you know, that's kind of a handy thing for the rider. It's got some rubber pieces here that are missing though, and I doubt I can find those, but maybe I can fabricate something to replace those. Yeah, but she's like I say, when I get done with this bike, it's going to be pretty much like new, and I'm going to make sure that the fella buying this is going to get a good deal, and he'll be happy with this bike. So we will continue with that one. I'm finishing up the Harley here. This one's in the paint shop. I should get this one done by next Friday. Today's April 10th, 2021. So by Friday I should have this one done, which would be the, what, 14th, I think. And we'll get that guy cleaned up and headed off to Utah. The other black Harley, I just took it out this morning. It runs like a champ. So that one steers, rides, does everything it's supposed to do. So the next project here is Mr. Blue here.